A robot you can control with your phone? Yes, please. The Sphero 2B from Orbotix is a remote-controlled tube-shaped robot with movements that can be directed by using an app on your smartphone or tablet. How much is the Sphero 2B? The Sphero 2B is going to be selling for $99 once it comes out this holiday season. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. The Sphero 2B, which is basically an update to the robotic ball Sphero, has the added advantage of moving upon directions coming from your smartphone or tablet. It also comes with bulky, customizable wheels, which can be interchanged for more variety. Here's our conclusion. Now performing tricks using a remote-controlled robot is even more fun and offers more possibilities thanks to the Sphero 2B. Thanks for checking out our review. To know more about this product, click on the link below this video now.